Watch this. Floating battle, watch. Watch. No, that was just a throw. Watch. Just. That. See, watch. Just. See, it's just floating. It just floats up, watch. See that? Nope, that was mess up. See that? It's just floating. See that? Did you get that one, Evan? See, it's just floating there. See that? Watch this. See that? It's just floating. Now, do you believe me? Yeah. Bye.
How do they get levitate? You just throw it up and then when it's in your hand, it's like that, around your hand. But when you're going down, you need to follow it. Like this. You just gotta have it spin for a minute. Just take it. Wait till it starts to fall. Matthew, do you know how to do this trick? Watch this, people. Watch out, Matthew. No, baby bro. No! Give me this. How do you do that? No!
Slow motion,
Matthew,
like
catch.
that.
Oh, this is mine.
Like that.
Oh, wait.
In your hand the whole time.
No, Matthew, don't.
Bye.
Wait, watch it. Catch.
Why
That would have been perfect!
am I holding it upside down? Bye. Bye.